Welcome to the Wig of the Day series where we make a wig a day, okay? Every wig that you see, unless I say otherwise, it is for sale. So this one is for sale. So what I want to do is literally wash this wig, restyle it with you guys, and decide, do I want to keep it in a side part? Do I want a center part? She's layered, but she's not, you know, the feather look. She's more layered for like a shaggy, natural, shake and go kind of tousled look, which is still cute. But I'm just like, do I want that on this wig? Like, I don't know. I originally created this wig to be inspired by Michelle Obama's hairstyle. But what I did was add in some soft brown highlight to kind of give it a subtle version, and she does wear like a side part. So this is hair from Mayvenn. You can purchase this hair on my website. I'll leave the hair details below, and make sure you use code Amore. Let me start washing this, and I'll take you guys back in a time to when I was coloring this wig. So the color that I chose to do was a brick layered balayage technique. All I did was brick layer the sections, which means don't do the sections right on top of each other. Each row that I went up, I kind of just staggered it off to the side a little bit to get that real nice balayage effect. And then I just rinsed it and toned it, honestly. And at first I had it in a middle part, and this is the part where I was like, dang, I don't know what I want to do, because it's like I like the middle part, but you already know me, I gave her a side part. I don't know, something lately with me with side parts, I just really loving it when it comes to wigs, especially with the curved baby hair right there. So she's been sitting in the box, and now it's time to rewash it. Yeah, this is the before we wash it. She's dripping wet. I tried to keep the same part because I was looking at it like just playing in the hair when I pressed stop recording, and it's really cute in the side part. I don't know. Comb it out real quick. So freaking cute. Oh my god. So yeah, let's get started. Start in the back, 2 rows at a time up until I make my way up to the closure. Take the hair, curling down diagonally until all the ends are fed through the curling iron. Then I'm gonna take the curl into my hand with some hairspray. I'm clipping it in a way that's underneath so that I'm not clamping the hair right here. Use my wax stick, and I'm just gonna help that go like that where it meets the wefts, and I just make sure that the hair is laying flat in that direction so that the wefts are always covered. Swoop them down with Nairobi foamy mousse. For this side, falling over like that way, go back a little bit, go up. That's like this. Vibes. This is giving. This is what we got so far. Like, she's cute. She's giving everyday natural wig, and she is for sale. Yay. I think she's gonna be $300. How about that? Let me see how much the hair costs, and then I'll tell y'all how much she is. But just go to the website, and then you can really see how much she is. This is the wig of the day. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this wig, and I hope you're really enjoying the Wig of the Day series. Make sure you turn on your post notifications.